Hey everybody, this is Paul Motley and this is my Affiliate Secrets 2.0 review. Alright, so let's get into this. So if you click the link below this video, you are going to see this page right now. And this is the sales page for Affiliate Secrets 2.0 by Spencer Mecham. Now, for those of you not familiar, the Affiliate Secrets 1 made at least three dream car winners with the Clickfunnels program and is on track to make many more this year, including myself as well. I've actually been a huge advocate of the program. I've used the Affiliate Secrets to build my own affiliate marketing business, and I can't say any more better about it than that. So we're going to have a look at some of the testimonials here. Right now we've got who we've got there, James Hurst. He's just broke through and got a dream car himself, which basically means he's got over 100 Clickfunnels affiliates, and now Clickfunnels are going to pay him at least $500 per month so he can buy a car. But of course he earns commissions on every Clickfunnels affiliate that he gets, and this is the whole point of the course. We've also got Willie James there, we've got Edwin Muse, Paul Dunn, and there's lots of links there to get hold of it. And this is basically going to go through the whole program. So what do you actually get inside the course itself? So in module 1, we're going to get your game plan. This is structuring your empire. And we're going to go to module 2, which is how to find hot buyers. So this is basically deciding which ones are going to most likely buy the products that you're selling. So this is not just for Clickfunnels itself. This is for any affiliate marketing program that you might come across, either on Munchai, either on ClickBank, or anything else, or even Amazon products. You can even go for it on that as well. So it's really pretty cool. Module 3 is about getting hold of traffic. Module 4, making more, spending less. So this is all about creating an offer, which is obviously the higher the perceived value, the more likely people are likely to buy as well. So some automation templates as well, so you can actually download this stuff directly into your accounts and use what Spencer has right now. The products, so you can actually like figure out what products to use and how to sell them. It's really pretty cool like this. And long-term business as well. So this is where you actually learn how to automate your business. Now this might be with email autoresponders, this might be with messenger bots, this might be with even like getting people in and asking them to do the work for you, sort of virtual assistants, so you can actually automate more stuff. And this is where it leads on to module 8 as well. This is a little bit about Spencer himself. Now he's been rather modest there, because obviously in his first month he did actually make $10,000, but he just clicked over $1 million in Clickfunnels affiliate commissions. 1 million, right? So that's pretty awesome. So he got his dream car. He's actually been in multiple dream cars. He's actually been pretty well on this sort of things. You've got Cut and Beverage there. You've got this guy. All these people which have gotten loads and loads of testimonials. Jacob, good buddy of mine as well. So he's there, he's doing it, it's all there for you as well. So I just want to point out a couple of things, and we're going to dive in and see what's actually on the inside of the program. So bear with me 1 second and we'll go take a look. Wherever it is. Alright, so now we're inside the actual program itself. So don't tell anybody, because you're not supposed to see this right now. So you've actually got two sections. You've got the Affiliate Secrets and the Affiliate Secrets Traffic Edition. So which one are you going to want to have a look first in? Let's go and have a look at the Traffic Edition. So this is where it's actually going to show you, let me just pull that over a little bit so you can see how you can actually get traffic to your offers itself. So you can have a look at how it sets up YouTube, how it sets up AdWords, how it sets up solo ads, and there's another bit there by Josh Ryan about Instagram, even Quora as well. So there is actually an awful lot of content in this, and it is hugely worth the investment. So if you are looking at it, go right ahead and buy. So the main program itself. Now, I like this for many reasons, and the main reason is because Spencer goes into so much great detail on how to actually put this whole thing together, but also as well, I kind of like it because of the case studies. Now, I'm a little biased on this one. Main reason being is because he's actually put one of my own, this is me, yep, he's actually put one of my own videos there within the course as well. So I can't recommend this thing enough. This is me showing you how I've used Spencer's program to actually get more sales and more commissions using the YouTube ranking strategies that Spencer teaches in the course. So let's go in it. There's module 1, which is like an overview. There's how to sort out your niches, how to sort of traffic, how to add value, funnels. This is all pretty good as well, so you can actually download funnels actually into your own Clickfunnels account. And if you don't have a Clickfunnels account, there should be a link below, so you can go ahead and get it. Why not throw caution to the wind and get hold of that? And what else have we got? This is products, and it's like loads of stuff, absolutely loads of stuff. This program should be selling for at least $2,000. I'm going to put it out there. It should be selling for over $2,000. But I know Spencer is not about the money and has made it extremely affordable for a lot of people. So anyway, this kind of wraps up my own review of the Affiliate Secrets 2.0. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that if you're watching this on YouTube, you like and subscribe and drop me a comment below. And if not, and you're watching this on my blog itself, then make sure that you check out everything else on the page and go and buy this program right now before everyone else does. It won't be around forever.